check it out.
Hey, Dan, if you're talking, we can't hear you.
Can't hear me. Can you hear me now?
There we go.
All right. Good morning. Good morning.
You're very low. I hear your music a lot louder than your voice.
All right. Give me a second here.
And it looks like I see you live.
Yep. We're live. Is that better? Is that better?
A little bit.
All right.
Not yet. It's still low, but
What about now? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
not same. There we go. There you go. Got it.
So, are you listening on YouTube or are you listening on the Zoom?
There we go. There you go. Got it. Oh, I have both open. That might be why. There we go.
Yeah. Is that better? Pam, can you hear me okay?
Loud and clear.
All right, cool. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Let's mark up our charts. As you see, we're sitting behind yesterday's high and overnight high here. Kind of stuck in between this high and this low. Ideally, we're going to sweep one side or the other. There's an ABC pattern here from high to low and low to high. So that's high to low. This is low back into the high. Ideally, this is what we're looking at. We sweep these lows, but who knows right now? It's Tuesday. British pound had average earnings yesterday. Well, 12 o'clock my time anyway. AM. Euro came out with economic German zoo economic sentiment. Nothing crazy. Economic sentiment. They had a 23.4 and 11.2, which is almost double. So they got a little reaction there last night or early this morning. We have no news today other than Trump tweets. So should be interested to see what the market really does today. Do we hold point? Do we hold still or do we break out more or less, right? Be interested to see what happens. Okay. So we have this fib here, and then we also have a fib of sweeping the high here. So I'll look at order flow here in a second. We're stuck between today's overnight high and yesterday's high. Right now, that's where we're ranging between. RTY is selling off. ES looks like it's ready to dump. I don't know if NASDAQ's in the same boat right now. Excuse me. Looking to get between $200 and $300 today. So this would be the pullback zone if they want to fire it off, right? Let's see what they do. I'm using the TD Boss strategy today, right?
1 or 2?
This one is the one. I think I had 2 on yesterday. I don't know where it went. And you see me on YouTube, right?
Yeah, I did.
Everything's checked out. All right, cool.
Yep. And I even left you a test note.
Let's see what happens here. So POC is sitting at what? 89160, is that right?
29150 or 29160. It just moved. Price is right at POC.
Yeah. So right now we're sitting with 1,600 net longs in this market. So far, the buying has been overpowering the sellers. The question I got, are we going to pull back, right? Are we going to pull back, find some kind of balance between here and here? If we start breaking below this, we can see the market come down. If we start breaking above this one up here, we can see the market break out to the upside. If we see a sweep here, we can see it move down, sweep, and then the go. We can see it sweep here, and then the go, sweep, and then a retest, and go. I mean, there's a lot of options here. We're in that 50-50 zone right now, so you're either going to go with the long or go with the short and figure out what's what along the way, or you wait till you break one side and go with it. I don't like to sell right now We can go into a squeeze here. We don't have any news. We don't have anything. I guess we'll wait and see what the stocks do when they open. But it's kind of sad that this looks like it could possibly go into a squeeze, but we have this channel line here. Right? So trend line liquidity is normally real. Can we come down more? We're below the market shift. Says we're going into an ABC swing. So this one got us to here. There's going to be another one here. We'll mark it up just in case this thing pulls back a little bit more. So now we want to see this pull back up. It already has here. So now we're here. Ideally, we come down to here. Good morning, Eric, Miguel, Pam, On, and good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Q. Let's throw it on there. So right now, this is still on the long, but the long took place down here. So it hit target 1, right? So it's pulling back. That would be target 2. So, and then over here, it had a short this morning right here. Right here is an entry to go short, and it went down and hit target 1. Now, you can shorten up your targets if you want to on this indicator, right? It's just based off the ATR. So, market's moving really slow right now. Catching a small bid here. You're back in the entry on the long side here, but we're still struggling here. Pre-market. If you were to trade this, you have one contract, $114 stop loss. That would give you room to add on the way down if you were going to trade it long. If you thought it was a bull for sure. 1,644 buyers in this delta. Market shift has changed. Push down. If we get through this shelf, we probably have a breakout. We target these highs right here. Target these highs. Let's put a bubble on them real fast. That's an area of supply. There's the bid that I was just talking about. pushing into supply. Do they take them out? That's the question, right? Do they take them out? So target one hit here, right? Let's pull back, target one hit again. Oh, we got enough buyers in here. Do we got enough buyers to break through these two levels to get to this one? 90 buyers in this candle so far. Is this going to be another, what is that, gap up, push down, right? Let's look. Look at this push up, right? This is the close. Yesterday we sold back down in the afternoon. We hit this double bottom. We've been up, right? So from this open right here, let's just draw. From this open price right here, we have a gap. A huge gap up. So is it a gap up, keep pushing up, and then sell off, or, you know, what are we going to get? Morning, Sean. Wow. Right up into that supply zone. Looks like we're bid out. I did not want to buy the high today. Anybody take that long down there after we retested my box? All right, retested this box with a possibility of this box. And then this break up here. We're into the supply zone. We'll see what they do here. Yes, it's now breaking out. Everything's on the upside here. RTY is about to cross over too. That might be the one we want to trade. Guys, I'm going to switch over to RTY real quick. This is it right here, right? May have to trade one contract, but I like this long here. I'm going to punch this guy in, guys. I'm in. Let's see what it does here. Just one contract here. So far, we're in profits here. See if it catches a bid here. So this is a completion of a small fib here, right? Right here. So far, we're not breaking out. That's okay. And maybe we don't get it. Looking for a retest of that 665, 660 area now. Look at this shit. Are they going to sweep all these lows? All right.
Order submitted.
I'm long, and look at this shit right here.
Target filled.
Woo! We just smoked it, baby.
Order filled.
You guys got to be kidding me. One of my accounts is $800. Look at the buyers that just came in here, guys. Holy crap. Did anybody trade that with me? Guys, did anybody trade that with me? That was insane.
Nope.
Oh, wow. All right, I'll go back to M&Q. M&Q's selling off again. Oh, my God. That was great. All right, here we go. That went up and hit target. Exactly what we wanted it to do, but I wasn't buying the high. I was able to buy that RTY trade because it was low. What is a P&L at? I added one contract when it broke up. I think I'm at $800 across the board. 805. Good grief. All right, let's give it a little bit of here, a little bit of time. coming into this market open here. Coming back down into this buy zone. We'll see what they want to do. Do they want to sell off? I'm going to log out of these accounts because they are at target. So let me log out of these guys and log into these guys. That was sweet. I'm sorry, but that was sweet. Alright, I disconnected you. How come you're not getting out? Disconnect. What do you mean I have an open position? I don't see an open position. Let's see what it does here. Let me log back in. What do you mean? Let me look. One, closed, 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 closed. I don't have anything running here. So I don't know what that thing's talking about. Let me do it again. Oh, it didn't ask me that time. Alright, cool. Alright, guys. 10 accounts hit. Target $200+. Wow. Entry there, target 1 just got hit. If you took that, you just hit target 1 on the short there. This is where I marked up for the long. Let's see if they sweep this low. They probably come after this low here, guys. Making target 2 a nice target. I'm back on MNQ, not NQ. I'm back on MNQ. I'm not on RTY. I'm back on MNQ. We caught that right up on RTY. Very nice trade. I saw, man, order flow, man. They were just bundling in stack buyers. No sellers on either side. And I was like, oh, we got to take that. So I put it in and booyah! All right, let's be patient, guys. Let's see what we get here. Big old gap up this morning. POC shifted up to 202, so a balance at 202. We got earnings for Tesla and Google tomorrow. So maybe we don't get a very big move today, right, in the market. All right, let's see what we do. Do you get a C inside swing or outside swing? Oof. I'm going to go with this long, guys. I'm in. Let's see if they can pump it and take out the high here. Can they pump it up? And a little bit of profit here. Picking up 450 buyers. Can we hold them here? Or are we going to break through or going to sell back down? There's a lot of resistance right here. Alright, we're not getting this move. This might be a C face for a short, guys. Alright, I'm gonna... Let's see, right here. If we break through here, I'll be going short. Let's see. Alright, we went from 4... Yeah, I'm out.
Order
We
filled.
went from 450 buyers to 300 buyers, so I took a loss in those two accounts right there, $100, $190. Let's see if they hold this C phase or do they push down. Yeah, so this is going to end up down here. If this is the pullback to go down. Right now we're holding a C phase. We could see that move back up. I might have killed the trade a little too fast. Let's see. Yeah, look, we're back to the entry. So far, it looks pretty good. I'm going to jump back in this long one more time. Let's see if they can do it here. This may be a short, guys. Just following the rules. Puck just shifted up a little bit more. Not liking this here. Come on. Maybe on a short move here, guys. This may be selling off. It got me 2 times here. Let's see. Yep. All right, I'm out again.
Order.
Now I'm in the short.
Order submitted.
I want this to come down. I can't even move my target down. I want it to come down now and break. I have a feeling they're getting this liquidity here and they're holding this liquidity. Come on, sweep it.
Order filled.
Come on, push it. Come on. Sweep them. Having a hard time here. We got to gap up about 500 points here, guys. So, I mean, are we going to get a pullback? Well, why aren't we sweeping this low, right? We got rejected 1, 2, 3, 4 times. I've tried the long twice. It didn't work. I want this sweep now. I lost on 5, lost on 5. Now I'm in 10, right? We'll see. They're slowly buying them up here. We cannot get a move here at all. Come on, sweep them. Looking to sweep the previous candle. Man, they are buying this like no more, like no tomorrow here. 449 in this candle, but they keep buying this right here. We may end up with another little move back to the upside here before it comes back down. Come on, 7, 6, 5, sweep it. Sweep it. It closed, that candle closed lower. Yeah, here's what I didn't want to see. Choppy ass market. Buyers still buying. I think we're going to run their stops here. Come on, flush it now. Big wick on the top there in that 1 minute. If we take out this wick, we can see the buyers pick this thing back up again. Come on, baby. Sweep it. Come on. Man, look at all the sellers stuck in this candle here. We're in this sell zone with these guys. Stack sellers here. We should sweep this. But we're not getting the stack sellers here. You got buyers buying right here. Buyers buying right here. Right above our entry. We need to come through here. There we go. Come on, baby. If we sweep this, we should go boom. There it goes. Thank you very much. I love you so much, Dan. I love you. I love you. Now let's get it. Let's get it. Stops in profit for me, guys. I am trading 10 lots there. Come on. Push it. Push it. Back in profits on the morning. Come on. Push it. I want to sweep this low now without getting stopped out first. Give me a hard ride here.
Order filled.
Nope, I'm out. They got me out there. All right, well. We're down here in support. We should be in this ABC swing here. Damn it, Dan. I could have been in that again. They're not dumping this, guys. They're not really selling real hard. 2 5-minute red bars, though. We're in the demand zone. We sweep this low. That's the low I was going for. I'm going to buy this here and look for a bounce up.
Order submitted. Order
I'm in the
submitted.
long here. Let's see what they do here. Can we get a bounce here? Uh-oh, maybe not, Dan. No pop here?
Order submitted.
I'm in 2 full lots here. Let's see what we get.
Target filled.
All right, got 1. Come on.
Target filled.
2. All right, there we go. Stops in profit. Can we get a bounce right here off of this wick and come back up? Come on, baby. Come on. It's risk-free. Stops in profit. This is going to sweep this wick. I want this wick to hold. There's 39 seconds, so it can still push down, grab me, and then go up. Come on, just push up, though. Push up, order flow. Let's go, baby. Push it up. Not enough buyers here. Oh, they're coming in. Oh, can I get it? Can we get it? Can we get it? Oh, I need to take that $700.
Target filled.
All right, there we go. I'm out of that trade. Hold on, let me look. My funded accounts are at what? Okay, cool. Should get an inversion long here, guys.
Morning, guy.
Good morning. Looking for a pull back up, guys. I'm going to play the long again.
Order submitted. Order filled.
There's 1 and
Order
2.
target filled.
Nice, Dan. Nice. Sweet. Oh, look at this. Are they really going to hammer it? We're coming back up into the C phase. I don't know if we sell off from here, if we break out. So far, we came out of the demand zone. I told you guys this was the demand zone. I DCA, I bought it, got that, and I entered again when the buyers came in. We just hit this target. Now, I don't know if this holds to go lower. It may, right? Because this is supply. This is demand. We haven't broke out of it yet. So now we're probably looking possibly for a short if it wants to come in. What are we going to get here? So we have another trend line right here off this top, right? So we have the inside trend line and we have this trend line right here. So reason why I didn't jump in, yeah. Good morning, good morning. Still buyers showing up here. I don't like this buy. Here it goes. Do we end up in an inside C? That's a C phase if this breaks, guys. That's an ABC swing. We'll see if they hold this right here. Question is, are we going to hold this and go short? Right, you need to make up your mind. Are you a bull or bear? We just swept into the demand zone, got some buyers up. We're pushing up. Kind of flat. Market's kind of choppy. Yeah, I think we got a little further pullback here coming. All right, guys, I'm in the short here. Let's give it a short. I'm going to give it a short and see. It may not, guys. They may be trapping these shorts in here. Can we come down and sweep these lows, or are we going back up into the highs here? We are range bound, sort of. And we just got a shift down. I don't like that. That means we're going to start trading away from this. Yep. I got my finger on the close button here. They're going to pop and run everybody out of here, or are they going to just flush it? Come on, get below the yellow line and go with it, baby. Come on. Buyers still trying to buy this here, man. Stack buyers coming in. Come on, get out of there. Run their stop losses. A lot of chop here, guys. Come on, hit that first target. Live account, come on. Damn it, Dan. Right to it and no fill. There we go. We got 5 off. Can I get the next 5 down? I'm not asking for much. Come on, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, baby. Come on. If we break this wick, we got him. We turkey. 36 seconds still in this candle. I don't want a gigantic wick back to the upside. Stops and profit for me. Come on, baby. Get it. Give it. Give me a turkey. Come on, give me a turkey. Give me a turkey. Boy, I'm reading order flow right to the tick. Come on, let's go. That's the 4th trade right there we got in with no drawdown. Oh, you rat bag. I'm going to take off half here.
Order filled.
Half.
Order canceled.
I'm going to put in a bracket order here with 2 contracts. Come on, baby. Boom.
Order
Let's
submitted.
go. Come on. We just swept this low. Now we could bounce again. We're down in the demand zone. Or you can close this out and take your money. I'm out. 320 in that account. 328. Let's go. Anybody get that short? I got chopped up there. I lost 2 trades.
Yeah,
Try-
I some of it.
Trying to get that long. Trying to get the long, and it didn't work. Google's starting to sell off a little bit, guys. That was good. A little tough, but good. Coming into the 4-hour close here, guys. Are we going to get this long now? I like this long, guys.
Order submitted.
I'm in for the break here. Let's see if they can punch back up into this liquidity zone up here. Can they do it? Can they do it? You got one, Alf. I should quit trading. I'm at target, Dan. What the hell are you doing?
Target filled.
I'm at target. I'm way past target. I'm way past target. All right, let's go. $30 on the trade. $40 on the trade. Can we get it? $60? Yes. We are at 422 on the day. This account is at 1219. I turned my accounts off at 234, 236, 254, 245. I turned them off a little early. That sucks. Yeah, what is the what? Yeah, this one right here, straight to funded, is 422 on the day. Yeah, the funded accounts are at 422. Yeah, it's not looking bad. Woof! It went up and got TP1, guys. If you bought it, I got in before the buy signal came in because the stack buyers were just plentiful enough for me to get in. Yeah. Apex accounts up here, all the Apex, they're all 215 and higher. Right. 215, 220, 225. I'm green across the board this morning, guys. Looking beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Are they just going to push this straight up back into the supply zone, or are we going to hold a C phase here for a short? Market is choppy. I said it was going to be choppy this morning. We got earnings coming out tomorrow, right? We were behind. I told you this was the range right here. There's a buy zone here and a sell zone up in here. I wanted to get up into here one more time, take some money, and then sell it, and it just didn't work. It actually hit it here with the sells, so we got in on the other side. We're gonna, once we break out, so we're in the lower half of this, so I won't be surprised if this breaks and then comes down. I won't be surprised. This is the wick in the new 4-hour bar. If they want to push it lower, they can. Right, that's the wick in the new 4-hour bar. So this would be the wick 4-hour bar. If that's what they want to do. They can even push it down and it's full bar for a couple hours. And then all of a sudden this becomes the wick and this becomes the big move to the upside. Right? So that's what's crazy about trading on a 4-hour time frame. It may be a nice juicy down candle and in the next hour it's nothing but a big wick. So here it goes. I think we're going to get this short down. If you want it, you got it right here. If you want it, you got it. You want it, you got it here. There you go, man. All right.
Order filled.
I'm going to sweep these lows. This sucks. I'm shorting right in support, but I think it sweeps these. All right, it swept the low. That's what I was originally looking for. But look at this. Right, a couple of ticks away from the 2 lot here. Come on. Are we going to get a push through the yellow line and keep going? My gray box is a fib level, yeah. Discounted trend line here. That trend line liquidity is probably good. I'm shorting right at it. Let's see if we sweep this green candle. Looking to take it out here. Got some stacked sellers here, but they're not. And some buyers trying to come in. I got in way late on that trade. We're getting rejected here. Now we're working off those buyers sell side. Let's go. Sweet. Give me target 1. Look at these sellers stacking in. Can we come in heavier? 223 sellers in this bar. Can we come in heavier? There's target 1. Yeah, I'm not big on this. We just swept it. We could bounce out of here. Get some buyers in here. Guys, I'm going to get out of this with a $16. I just won that trade for 40 bucks. Let's see if this... Yeah, I'm not going to give it all back. There's 25. I'm going to close this out. Let's see. Yeah, these buyers are picking up. There's 210 seller in those candles still. They can run their stops. I just gave back. All right, break even. Now I'm $8 negative on the trade. Buyers buying above us. Are we going to hit their stop losses and run it? These are buyers right here, both sides. If you're a bull, you're out, right? You want to be buying this. We're back in the support zone. I was looking for a continuation and a break, and we didn't get it. I'm going to sell up here.
Submitted.
And pending order there. One got filled. Alright, I'm going to take this one off. We hit this one, it moves me up. There we go. I still think they're going to push. Those buyers came in, so now we're running their stops. Right? So they got the buyers in. Now we're working on the sell side if that's the buyers. So if we can't hold this and run it, my stop's in profit. If we can't stop and run it, I'm out. I just brought this stop down. If we cannot run this out, you didn't have to DCA if you didn't want to. I just did because I saw what they were doing. They got the buyers in, and then they're running their stops. I want to see them continue off of this block right here. I want to see them continue off of this block to the downside. If we can't get back below these stacked sellers right here, we're not going anywhere. These guys right here, there's that many sellers in the bottom of the candle. That's not retail. That's continuation for a push. But these guys up here, they came in pretty heavy. There's your $40 back. If you want it, take it. Let's see. Come on, sweep it. Another $60 in the pocket there. Let me close this Apex account out. Close.
Order filled.
Alright, is that 327? Oh, I closed them all. Oh, I'm on Apex. Oh, that's why. Okay. Yeah, I'm not interested in taking any more trades. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Choppy market. Just be careful trading today. I mean, we are below this range now, right? The idea is we come down until we get that reversal, right? We finally just took out this. Here's the fib target. You get a small bounce out of here for a long. See if we can push a little lower. $67. $67. Right here. We're going to hit that. We may not. ES still trying to pump up, guys. ES is trying to hold here. NASDAQ has swept the low 3 times. Look. 1, 2, 3. Now we're on our 4th time. We come down into here. This would be the idea to get a bounce out of here. Nice bounce out of that gray box, guys. That was a first bounce, so if you bought it when it hit the gray box, right, you got that bounce right there. We just hit it again. You got that bounce right there, guys. That's 30 points. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Just pushes up to here. That's a good trade, right? There it goes. There's the buyers. Let's see if they trap these guys in this wick. I don't think they do. I think we push up and break that wick and come into that white line. And there it is. Boom. All right, so 50 points there, guys, if you took that trade. Give and take game here. You just don't want to give it more than you take. You want to take more than you give it. Right? Yeah. Oh, man. Oh, man. I think you got a long coming back in the inversion here. Time would tell, right? If you get back above here, back above, hey, back above here, then we can see the market pull back, and that will determine whether it wants to go down or if it wants to keep going up. It's a pretty dangerous trade, though, because this could just push straight down again. All right, guys, I'm going to jump off. Markets, I came in and traded that momentum, so there's where we're at. I like to stay in the profits today if I can. So, not a bad day. I set my take profits at $210, $200 and $250, and we got it. Look at this pump. There it is. I called the long, I just didn't take it. Oh, look at this. That is juicy, boy. Man, look at that. How much money would that be? Because I was saying that out of this box we're long, right? There's a $180 move right there, one contract. $126 move, one contract. That's $1,200 on NASDAQ. Nice trade there. Still going. All right, guys. I'm going to jump off. I hope everybody had a blessed session. Ann, are you red or green? Hopefully you're green.
Green.
All right, cool.
Green.
If you're green, then everybody's green. No. I'm teasing. I'm teasing.
Actually red.
Are you? You can't be big red, though, right?
$200.
Yeah, that's not bad. This is going to push up into, well, again, we're back in this range right here. This is the scary part, right? This low right here, yesterday's what is that? Yesterday's high or yesterday's low? Yesterday's high. So we're retesting that. If we stay below this, we're going to see this become support. Resistance, sorry. So we're starting to tighten up on, if you guys go and look at the demand and supply, right? We keep trying to break through that demand zone. Here it goes again. This is another short. Once we get through this demand zone, this is going to break through. We'll see if they buy them back, but I don't think they're going to. Let's see what they do here. I mean, we came down rather, 400 sellers in this bar. So ideally, it just rips to the downside, taking out everybody who just bought. But that bot was nothing but. What's that?
ES looks like it still has a move down, so that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah. ES hasn't broken 704 yet, or 504. We get below 504 on ES and it falls apart. Is this a dip? They're going to try and run this back up again. And then, I mean, I don't... the market's about to get real choppy, guys, here for a little while. If they hold this and can't break below this and close, if they can't close below 80 with a solid candle, they need to close with a solid candle. If they can't, they're going to run an inside fib here. So that means this is going to, let me grab this. This is going to go back into here. If they cannot close lower, which I'm expecting them to, then they're going to go into an inside swing and suck in some more buyers so they can sell them off. I want to see this move right here. I want to see this move come down. So if you measure your fib from here to here, we want to get down here. But ideally, they can come back up and give a bigger, higher C here if they want to. Okay, I'm just saying, this is what I see, the way the order flow pattern looks. It looks like they can run this right back up into here before they short it. And if they don't want to, they may buy it here and just continue pushing. You got yesterday's high sitting right here. And the market just shifted down, so this is now a C phase to me for a long. Take it with a grain of salt. Do what you want to do. I'm not trading it, but ideally this probably pushes up into here to find some more sellers. We got to take out this level, but once they take it out, that's where they'll run it. Do we get it? I know you went long. Okay, you're in it. All right. Stops in profit. Nice. 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 Let's see if we can do it. Stack buyers coming in. Still negative numbers, so the running stops. Here it comes. Here it comes. Let's see. Do they come in heavy? There's 90. There's 105. Can they push it into that entry level gray box? 122. That's 50 points right there, guys. Yeah, I said it was long from down here, but let's see.
Yeah, so let's see if I can hold this.
Need to get in that gray box. 180 be target. 29, 180. Come on, you rat bag. POC just shifted down. So balance is lower now. Lower. It's right in here. Are they going to keep it there? 160. If we stay below POC, that won't be a good idea. But ideally, we push through it. Boom! Let's go. I'm not even in a trade. I'm excited for you. Let's go. Only 30 though. We need to, I mean, you're not going to double 450, but we just built in a block here. There we go. 172. Can we get 180? Eight points away from that target. 29, 180. I probably should have took it just because I knew what they were doing here. But just by the way the order flow was looking, what they were going to do. They were going to push the inside swing to go find more sellers. And if they don't find sellers, they're going to invert this. And then you end up with an internal volume off of this high. Back up to here. We're high enough now that they could sell it if they want to. What we get right here, what is that? 73.25. I really wanted the 180. The sellers are sitting right there at 180. We're not getting it. We're just not getting up into that these sell wicks. We wicked into them, but we didn't get up into that one. Yep, be careful. Don't be scared. I'm not. I'm at target. That's what I'm at. So, all right, guys, I'm going to jump off. Good luck trading today. If you're trading, just know that this is a chop today. We got earnings coming out tomorrow. So tomorrow's going to be a good day. Of course, in the afternoon. So maybe we'll come back in the afternoon and look and see what we get in the afternoon. But morning session should be pretty wild. We'll catch a momentum drive. And we'll see how that plays out. We're still in an ABC phase here, pulling back. Just ugly. CC here. Ideally, this comes. We're back. We're retesting that yesterday's high. If we start trading below this, I may be, maybe thinking opposite. But that's the shelf now. Okay, we're trading above the demand zone. We probably want to get back into the supply zones. This is a supply zone, supply zone, supply zone. So they're building them down, right? And this is how they do it. They build that swing, go up into that supply zone and sell off, retest it, and then they go short again, right? If they want to. So just be careful when you're trading, guys. Know what you're looking at when you're trading. I want to see 180 get popped. The 29 180, I want to see it get popped here. So point of control sitting right here. So, all right, guys. Those of you on YouTube, if you like and subscribe, that would be appreciated. As you know, we're building out this channel again. We are at our target for the day, so I'm going to stop trading here. And with that being said, we'll be live in the morning. I got a lot more stuff coming out. Could use our indicators and whatnot. So with that being said,